Hi, I'm Zezo Ariaki Sao, and I'm the founder of Malée Natural Science. Luxurious baths and scenting spaces is something that I'm super passionate about. So when I was creating our fragrance or scented soy candles, creating something that did more than scent a space was high on my list. This can be used as a great moisturiser or massage oil for all skin types, which turns bath time or even burning a candle into something so much more exciting. I was inspired to create this product because for years I would buy lots of candles, come out the bath and have to moisturize. And I thought, goodness, why not use a great healthy natural ingredient that can burn as a candle where you enjoy the scent, but why not also slather that on my skin to enjoy the benefits of it? So using 100% soybean oil, this candle burns at room temperature, which allows it to be used straight away while you burn it, or you can turn it off and use the oils. Smooth, supple, nourished skin straight out of a bath, smelling divine and heavenly, is something that you wouldn't expect from a candle, but can expect from our candle. Soybean oil is also a great moisturizer, so you can use this at any time of the day and any time in the year for smooth, supple, youthful, glowy skin. A pro tip from me to you, why not share this with a partner and use it as a moisturizing oil? And our customers love this product for its multi-use functionality on skin and for scenting your space. It's also kosher, and a great thing is if you spill it, warm soapy water gets it out of any surface. Verdure for me is fresh, invigorating, and that go-to scent that gets you really going in the morning, or even in the evening when you kind of need to put a spring in your step. With notes of citrus, mint, and patchouli. Patchouli is amazing for de-stressing and actually bringing that calm to you. So if you love fresh, light, invigorating fragrances, or even bringing a sense of crispiness or happiness or brightness to your space, Verdure is amazing for doing that. A great all-rounder for all year round. It's never going to encroach in your space or take over the scent of your space. Our candles are designed to blend seamlessly with your own feeling of your space because they bring nature indoors.